Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Enervon multivitamins. Enervon is a popular multivitamin designed to help boost your energy and strengthen your immune system. It's packed with essential B vitamins, vitamin C, and other vital nutrients that support your body's daily functions. Understanding how to properly incorporate it into your routine ensures you get the most out of its benefits for overall health and well-being. For optimal results, it's recommended to take just one Enervon tablet daily. The best time to take it is usually with a main meal, like breakfast or lunch. This helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively and can also prevent any potential stomach discomfort. Making it a consistent part of your daily routine will help you experience its full range of benefits over time. Before starting any new supplement, including Enervon, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Remember, do not exceed the recommended dosage of just one tablet per day. Also, ensure you store your Enervon tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. While Enervon provides essential nutrients, it works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and make sure to get regular physical activity. Adequate sleep, around 7 to 9 hours each night, is also crucial for overall well-being. And don't forget to stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.